Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through 100 must-know points from pathology for NEET PG. In this video I'll be going through important one-liners, facts, tables and image-based questions from pathology. At the end of the video I've included 15 high-yield previous year's AIIMS questions which you must know for all upcoming exams. So do watch the video till the end. Which cell in the body is most sensitive to hypoxia? Neurons. Earliest organelle in the body to undergo cell injury? Mitochondria. Most characteristic marker of apoptosis? Annexin 5. Pattern of apoptosis seen on gel electrophoresis? Step ladder pattern. Hyaline cartilage contains which type of collagen? Type 2. Predominant collagen in adult skin? Type 1. Hereditary retinoblastoma develops due to following chromosomal deletion. 13q14. Which stain is used to detect lipid in frozen section biopsy in histopathology laboratory? Oil red O. Most common tumor of infancy? Rhabdomyoma. Triad of biotin deficiency is dermatitis, glossitis and alopecia. The rate of newly synthesized osteoid mineralization is best estimated by tetracycline labeling. Stain used for diagnosis of melanin pigment is periodic acid Schiff stain. Tumor that follows rule of 10, pheochromocytoma. Most common site of pheochromocytoma after adrenal gland, organ of Zuckerkandl. Most common cause of death in diabetics, myocardial infarction. Most characteristic lesion seen in diabetic nephropathy, nodular glomerulosclerosis. Pituitary adenomas are regarded as macroadenomas when their size is greater than 1 cm. Which brain tumor does not spread via cerebrospinal fluid? Craniopharyngioma. The size of red blood cells is measured by MCV. The longest living WBC is lymphocyte. The best method for estimation of hemoglobin concentration in blood is cyan-meth hemoglobin method. The number of iron atoms in one hemoglobin molecule? 4. Which virus can cause hemolysis of red blood cells? Human parvovirus B19. Best parameter for assessment of body iron stores? Serum ferritin. This is a repeatedly asked questions in NEET as well as university exams. Nestrov test is a screening test for which condition? Beta thalassemia. Bite cells are seen in G6PD deficiency. This is an image-based question showing bite cells on peripheral blood smear of G6PD deficiency. Most important cytokine responsible for systemic effects of inflammation? Interleukin 1. Which parameter is used to measure control of blood sugar in diabetes mellitus? HbA1c. Critical step in functioning of complement system? Activation of C3. Most common site for keloid formation? Sternum. The incidence of bilaterality in dermoid cyst is 10%. Characteristic type of giant cell seen in measles? Worden-Finkeldy cells. This is an image-based question of Worden-Finkeldy cells, which are giant cells seen in measles. Most common cause of septic shock? Gram-positive bacteria. Triad of septic shock: disseminated intravascular coagulation, hypotension, and metabolic disturbances. Now, this could be asked in the format of all of the following are included in the triad of septic shock except. Gene for neurofibromatosis 1 is located on which chromosome? Chromosome 17. This can be remembered as same number of alphabets in the word neurofibromatosis. Gene for neurofibromatosis 2 is located on chromosome 22. Mode of inheritance of neurofibromatosis: autosomal dominant. Most common mode of Mendelian inheritance: autosomal recessive. This is a very important table showing chromosome location of all important genes in chronological order. So starting with von Hippel-Lindau gene located on chromosome 3, major histocompatibility complex gene located on chromosome 6p, von Willebrand factor chromosome 12, gene for retinoblastoma and BRCA2 on chromosome 13q, gene for BRCA1 and neurofibromatosis 1 on chromosome 17q. P53 gene is located on chromosome 17p and gene for NF2 is located on 22q. All these gene locations are important and must be learned by heart. The approximate number of genes contained in human genome: 30,000. This is a recent change in Robbins' textbook. The previous answer was 1 lakh. Karyotyping is done in which phase of cell cycle? Metaphase. In Down syndrome, there is non-disjunction of chromosome 21. Patau syndrome is due to trisomy 13. The technique used for separation and detection of RNA is Northern blot. Southern blot is used for detection of DNA. And Western blot for proteins. Hallmark of malignant transformation is anaplasia. Point of no return is which phase of cell cycle? S phase. Guardian of the genome is used to denote P53 gene. And P53 gene is the most common mutated gene in human cancers. Most common malignancy in females in India: breast carcinoma. Carcinogenic potential of a chemical is tested by Ames test. This is a table for chemical agents and the cancers caused by them. Aromatic dye causes bladder cancer. And this is the frequently asked question in all entrance exams. Benzene and alkylating agents cause acute myeloid leukemia. Epstein-Barr virus causes Burkitt's lymphoma. Arsenic causes lung cancer. Schistosomiasis causes bladder cancer. And vinyl chloride causes liver cancer, and more specifically angiosarcoma of liver. Amyloid AA originates from plasma cells. The most common primary tumor of heart is myxoma. Most common cause of aortic aneurysm is atherosclerosis. Most common site of myocardial infarction: anterior wall of left ventricle. Commonest type of emphysema is centri acinar. The commonest type of bronchogenic carcinoma in non-smokers: adenocarcinoma. Papillary necrosis of kidney is seen in Diabetes mellitus. It is also seen in analgesic nephropathy, but it is most commonly seen in diabetes mellitus. Most common site of leiomyoma, stomach. Luke's classification is associated with lymphoma. Gleason's classification is used for carcinoma prostate. First sign of wound injury is dilatation of capillaries. Increase in alkaline phosphatase is seen in leukemoid reaction. Albuminocytologic dissociation occurs in case of Guillain-Barré syndrome. Normal albumin is to globulin A by G ratio in blood is 2:1. The process when the neutrophil shows a degenerative change in the nucleus which has undergone fragmentation is karyorrhexis. The permeability of capillaries is enhanced by bradykinin. Coombs test direct is positive with IgG. Mallory-Hyline is characteristic feature of alcoholic liver disease. Most common cause of death in primary amyloidosis, cardiac failure. Gamma Gandhi bodies contains hemosiderin and calcium ions. And this is an image-based question showing gamma Gandhi bodies. Freezing point of normal human plasma is minus 0.54 degrees Celsius. Congo red with amyloid produces what color, which leads to its detection? Bright pink color. And this is a very frequently asked image-based question. Cal-Exner bodies are characteristic feature of granulosa theca cell tumor. Burr cells are seen in uremia. Both these questions can be asked in an image-based format. This is an image of Cal-Exner bodies, and this is an image of Burr cells. Reticulocytes are stained with brilliant cressyl blue. Hutchison's secondaries in skull are due to tumors in adrenal gland. Punctate basophilia is found in lead poisoning. Rosette shape arrangement of cells are seen in ependymoma. And this is an image based question showing rosette shape arrangement seen in ependymoma. Polyarticular rheumatoid arthritis is diagnosed when how many joints are involved? Greater than 5. Clue cells are found in bacterial vaginosis, and this is diagnosed by Amsel criteria. This is an image based question showing clue cells as compared to normal epithelial cell. This is seen in bacterial vaginosis. Laboratory screening test which suggests normal thyroid function, TSH. Most common cause of Addison disease, autoimmune adrenalitis. Most common cause of Addison's disease in India, tuberculosis. Most common cause of Cushing syndrome, exogenous corticosteroids. Most common thyroid cancer is papillary carcinoma of thyroid. Most common thyroid cancer after radiation exposure, papillary carcinoma thyroid, and on histopathology, Samoma bodies are seen. And this is an image-based question of Samoma bodies, which are whorl-like appearance with calcium deposits, seen in papillary carcinoma thyroid. Medullary carcinoma of thyroid is associated with which syndrome? MEN2. Most common cause of hypoparathyroidism. Surgical removal of parathyroid gland. ABO antigens are not found in which body fluid? Saliva. Commonest benign tumor of liver is hemangioma. Now coming to 15 previous years AIIMS questions. You must go through all previous years NEET PG and AIIMS question to understand the type of questions asked. Organelle which plays a pivotal role in apoptosis? Mitochondria. Most common fixative used in electron microscopy? Glutaraldehyde. Brain natriuretic peptide is degraded by neutral endopeptidase. The tissue of origin of Kaposi sarcoma is vascular. Onion bulb appearance of nerve ending on biopsy is seen in chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy or CIDP. The expression of which oncogene is associated with a high incidence of medullary carcinoma thyroid? RET proto-oncogene or RET proto-oncogene. BRCA1 gene is located on chromosome 17. The best described etiology of berry aneurysm is degeneration of tunica media. Hallmark of acute inflammation: increased vascular permeability. In the entire human genome, coding DNA constitutes 2%. Which test can be used to detect exact localization of genetic locus? Fluorescent in situ hybridization, which is abbreviated as FISH. Tophus is the pathognomonic lesion of which condition? Gout. MIC2 mutation is associated with Ewing sarcoma. A 14-year-old girl on exposure to cold develops pallor of extremities followed by pain and cyanosis. In later ages of life, she is prone to develop scleroderma. Now coming to a last question. Dystrophic gene mutation leads to Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So thank you everyone. I have covered 100 important high yield points from pathology along with some tables and image based questions. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.